안녕! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean pan-fried skewers, kkochi. This Thursday to Saturday is a Korean Thanksgiving, Chuseok holiday. As a celebration of a good harvest, we visit hometowns and have a good time with family and share Korean traditional food. Among those foods, pan-fried skewers are the most colorful, and I like the way to make and eat. It's pretty interesting. The recipe is different for each house, so you can make your own skewer. If you are a meat lover, then skewer the marinated beef, and if you are a vegetarian, then skewer only vegetables. Just remember the colorful color and the squared shape. Okay, then let's set the table. I'm gonna cut all ingredients in a similar length and thickness. First, divide seafood sticks into 3 pieces. Cut ham and pickled radish and green onion into similar size with seafood sticks. Cut up the upper part of a king oyster mushroom and also cut into similar size and thickness of other ingredients. And then skewer the ingredients. Skewer the hard one on the edge, like ham or radish. And for the fresh green color, place the green onion between the ingredients. I placed them in order from ham, green onion, mushroom, pickled radish, green onion, seafood stick, and ham. After that, cut the edge neatly. Next, cut only one side of the skewers with Korean pancake mix. For making more colorful, don't cut the front side. In a bowl, beat the eggs with a pinch of salt. Heat frying pan over medium-low heat and add oil. And dip skewer into beaten eggs to lightly coat. Put this on frying pan carefully and pan fry slowly until golden brown on both sides. When it's done, drain on cooking paper and move them to serving plate. Look at this color. I love diverse color of this dish. Okay, let me taste. This is so tasty. It's not greasy at all. You should have immediately after it's cooked. And it's seasoned enough, so there's no need dipping sauce. Today, I made Korean pan-fried skewers. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.